Once a quiet land, with waves upon the shore, fishing boats and lanterns, dreams and nothing more. Dusty roads and open skies, barefoot in the rain, but the hearts were full of fire and grit inside each name. Stone by stone they built the ground through sweat and storm and sun, planted seeds of honesty and watched the rivers run. No easy road, no shortcut there, but they chose the higher way. Now the skyline tells a story of a brighter day. From island to flame, we rose with no shame. Hard work and honor, we played a fair game. Safe streets and strong hands, we built on the truth. A city that shines, ever bold, ever you. Oh, from island to flame, we carry the name. Every voice was counted, every dream allowed. No shadows in the system, just a people proud. With the people standing tall and a strong belief, they turned the tide and rose beyond all grief. Now the lights dance in the harbor like a promise come alive, and every soul who walks this land helps keep the dream survive. Not just wealth or wisdom, not just gold but grace. We built a place for all, no matter time or race. From island to flame, we rose with no shame. Hard work and honor, we played a fair game. Safe streets and strong hands, we built on the truth. A city that shines, ever bold, ever you. Oh, from island to flame, we carry the name. From island to flame, we rose with no shame. Hard work and honor, we played a fair game. Safe streets and strong hands, we built on the truth. A city that shines, ever bold, ever you. Oh, from island to flame, we carry the name. So here's to the island and all we became. A beacon of courage, a torch in the rain. We carry it forward, no looking behind. A city of hope by the people designed. From island to flame, we carry the name. From island to flame.